friends! Let's learn the alphabet today. Are you ready? Let's go! A for apple. Red apple. B for ball. Round ball. C for cat. Cute cat. E for dog. Happy dog. E for elephant. Big elephant. F for fish. Small fish. G for grapes. Sweet grapes. H for hat. Nice hat. I for ice cream. Yummy ice cream. J for jug. Water jug. K for kite. Flying kite. L for lion. Brave lion. M for mango. Juicy mango. N for nest. Bird nest. O for orange. Orange fruit. P for parrot. Green parrot. Q for queen. Pretty queen. R for rabbit. Cute rabbit. S for sun. Bright sun. T for tiger. Strong tiger. U for umbrella. Colorful umbrella. V for van. Fast van. W for watch. Tick-tock watch. X for xylophone. Musical xylophone. I for yuck. Big yuck. Z for zebra. Black and white zebra. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Bye